This security camera footage captures an act of shocking, unprovoked violence. Officer Waters approaches the man, who is doing nothing, and immediately escalates to a physical assault, slamming his head into the plexiglass. This is the definition of police misconduct, using force where none is required. The victim's immediate cry, "You just smashed my face into the glass for nothing," is the crucial piece of evidence, establishing that the man was assaulted before any resistance. The unprovoked nature of this initial attack is the foundation of the civil rights lawsuit and the criminal charges Waters will eventually face. Keep watching, because the body cam footage that follows shows how Waters immediately begins building a false narrative to cover up this felony-level assault.
Look at my face, bro. You just smashed my face into the glass for nothing. Okay. Then you just ready to slam me down. Look what you just did, man. And all I'm asking you is what is going on? Why are you arresting me?
Right. And I told you, I was detaining you. You just need to turn around.
No,
you didn't want to listen.
Tell me anything. You didn't even read my rights or nothing. You didn't tell me what was going on. You just straight started assaulting me, dude. Look at my face.
Stop.
Look at my face, man. You're going down, dude. You just assaulted me for no reason.
Okay.
You just assaulted me for no reason, dude.
I wanted to have a conversation with you, and you got squirrely.
You didn't. You wasn't trying to conversate nothing, dude. You was trying to assault me.
Okay.
And if you...
Well, so maybe next time I say put your hands in the wall, you'll listen. Instead of being in
the air. My hands were in the air. Now you just assault me. This guy just assaulted me, man. I like to speak to superiors. You just assaulted me. It's all on camera in there, dude.
I see another set of hands in the car. Come on. Let's go.
Why are you trying to twist and break my wrist?
What you are seeing now is the officer attempting to justify his violence, not to the public but to his colleagues and potentially a court. Waters immediately escalates the interaction with a dismissive tone, implying the victim deserved the violence for not submitting to his authority. Even more alarming is his later conversation with the medical team, where he completely misrepresents the situation, falsely claiming the man broke bad and we ended up fighting. This misconduct is not just about the assault, it's about the deliberate deception. Waters is actively fabricating a legal argument right there on camera, which is a textbook example of official misconduct and tampering with public records, the exact felonies he was later indicted for. This is the moment the corruption of the process begins.
Come on. Let's go.
Why are you trying to twist and break my wrist?
Yeah, probably, because he's one of those fall down, so you mother.
Who is it?
No idea. He don't want to tell me his name. My fingerprint scanner's not working.
Okay.
I tried to have a conversation with him, and he broke bad, and we ended up fighting.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, so he's angry, got his head slammed into a wall, but...
Well, that is what it is. So, that doesn't happen.
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do.
Whatever. So... just figured I'd get some extra hands in case he decides to do something dumb.
This case is a crucial reminder that the fight for accountability often extends far beyond the initial incident. Waters was indicted on a total of 8 counts, including 2 felonies, based on this incident and another similar one. The Attorney General, Kathy Jennings, highlighted a clear and disturbing pattern of violence and deception, which included the officer failing to turn on his body cam previously and outright lying in his official report. The final conviction, including felony tampering, falsifying records, and assault, proves that the cover-up is often more damaging than the crime itself. Waters is now facing up to 8 years in prison. This case confirms that in the era of body cams and security footage, transparency, truth, and dedication to the rule of law can bring justice, even against the most determined institutional deception.